Doctor. My name is Zhen, number matrix 292973. Now I will present my assignment 1. My title is Country Board. In this assignment 1, I develop a Telegram bot to provide users with comprehensive data about the countries worldwide, helping them access the accurate information without leaving the app. People often struggle to quickly find reliable information about countries. Searching across various websites or apps is time consuming, especially when needing quick answers for education, travel, or general interest. And the online information is often scattered and outdated. So using the bots in messaging apps like Telegram can effectively deliver information in real time, keeping users in the app and reducing the need to search elsewhere. And the main objective is retrieve the detailed information about any country, list countries by specific regions, list countries where a particular language is spoken, and provide the intuitive and interactive user interface within the Telegram app. For the Telegram bot development, I will use the Java programming language within the IntelliJ IDEA and the bot created by using the bot father with the Telegram API. I want to demo and run the Telegram bot. The Telegram bot I already create a Docker image and push to the Docker hub. This is my name, the country bot, and this is the Docker pull command. So in the Docker desktop, we can see a Docker image and click the run, and it will say bot started successfully. And this is the IntelliJ, and this is also can run the Telegram bot. This will say bot started successfully. So in Telegram bot, this is my bot, S292973 bot, and this is the description. This bot is able to get information for all countries in the world. Besides that, user can also get the countries that have the same language or region. So for the start, the user need to input the command start. So it will four options in there: region, country information, language, and exit. Now I will click the exit command. It will say thank you for using the bot. You may start the bot again next time by typing start. Now I will try to input the invalid command. It will say this is invalid command and please click the start to start the bot. So now I will start to run the first function is country information. The bot will ask user to key in the country name. Example, Malaysia. So the country information for the Malaysia will prompt out the common name, official name, capital, regions, sub-region, and others. And also if want to search for another country, we need to enter the name for the another country. Like example, Japan. So it will show the country information for the Japan. So if I try to input the invalid name for the country, it will list out all the countries and ask the user please enter the valid country name based on the list above. Try Vietnam. Okay, the country information for the Vietnam will list out. So I tried another function which is region. So after click the region command, the Telegram bot will list out all the regions and let user to choose. For example, I choose Antarctic. It will show the countries in Antarctic. If I want to continue, just click the command for the region. Like example, I click Oceania. So it will list out all the countries in Oceania. Let's try another function, which is language. It's same. Telegram bot will list out all the language in the world and let user to choose. Like I choose Malay. It will show all the countries that speaks Malay, like Brunei, Malaysia, Singapore. Next, I will try to click Korean. It will show the countries that speak Korean, which are North Korea and South Korea. Okay, that's all for the function for my Telegram bot. If I click exit, it will say thank you for the using bot. You may start the bot again next by typing the start command. Thank you. I will explain the Java document for my Telegram bot. I have 6 classes for my bot, which are country bot utils, country info service, country list service, language parcel, and main. Let's start with the country bot first. In country bot, we have the method getBot username and getBot token. The Telegram name and the token need to put in the code so the Telegram bot can run. And the second class is country bot utils. The first method is send start message. After the user input the start command, the bot will send the start message. And the second one is send region list. After user input the region command, and the bot will send a list of region and let the user to choose. And send language list is the third method. Is the bot will send the language list and let user to choose. And the next method is send countries by language. After the user choose the language, the bot will send all the countries that spoke that language to the user. And the next is send region countries method. After the user choose the region, the bot will send all the countries under that region. And the last one is list all countries and retry. This is when the user input the invalid name for the country name. The bot will list all the countries and ask user input again. And the next class is country info service. This class have get country information method. This method will the bot will show out all the information for that country after the user input the name. And the next one is country list service. The first method is get all the country list. This is the bot will get all the country list from the API. And get countries by language, the bot will get the countries by language from the API. And get countries by region is the bot will get all the countries by region from the API. That's all for the Java document. Thank you.